Chainsaw wood carving is a fascinating art form where skilled artisans transform rough logs into stunning sculptures with remarkable precision. One prominent artist, Dave Alholm, started this unique craft as a hobby and quickly became famous for his intricate designs ranging from animals to abstract shapes. Utilizing a standard chainsaw, he demonstrates control that seems impossible for such a powerful tool, creating pieces that capture both detail and emotion. Competitions across the world showcase these talents, drawing crowds eager to watch these artisans in action, turning wood into a canvas for creativity. The combination of artistry and technique in chainsaw carving continues to surprise and inspire, elevating a simple tool into an instrument of beauty.